If you want serious size, stop wasting time on isolation junk. These 5 compound movements build more muscle faster than anything else you'll do in the gym. The squat is king for a reason. It hits your quads and glutes harder than any machine ever will. Go deep, keep your chest up, drive through your heels. The deadlift builds your entire posterior chain in one movement. Hamstrings, glutes, and back. Spine neutral and drive your hips forward on the way up. Bench press builds real pressing strength in a thicker chest. Elbows tucked at 45 degrees to protect your shoulders and maximize the load. Rows build the width and thickness your back is missing. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top. That's where the muscle actually grows. Overhead pressing builds serious shoulder size and stability. Push your core hard before every rep so that it comes from your shoulders, not your leg. 5 lifts, that's all it takes to build real, functional mass. After the squat, deadlift, row, and press, everything else falls into place. If your back still looks flat from behind, you're not doing anything wrong. You're probably just missing the right exercises. A wide, thick back doesn't happen by accident. Let's fix that. Pull-ups and lat pull-downs are non-negotiable for width. They target your lats directly, stretching them wide and building that classic V-taper. If you can't do a pull-up yet, start with the pull-down machine. Barbell rows build thickness through your whole back. Keep your chest up. Pull with your elbows and squeeze at the top. This is where raw back strength comes from. Cable rows let you really focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. That squeeze is what builds the thickness and detail in your mid-back. Don't rush this one, control it. Single arm rows let you isolate each side of your back individually, fixing imbalances the barbell can't. Focus on pulling with your elbow, not your hand. Feel that lat stretch and squeeze on every rep. 3 to 4 focused core sessions a week with compound lifts like squats and deadlifts doing extra work in between. That's the real formula. Train hard, recover harder, and trust the process. That's how you actually build abs that last, not just a daily grind that burns you out. Everyone thinks training abs every single day is the secret to a six-pack. It's not, and it might actually be working against you. Crunches, sit-ups, leg raises, day after day, no rest. Sound familiar? This is where most people go wrong. Your abs are a muscle like any other. Hit them daily with no rest and they never fully repair, which means they never fully grow. Every workout creates tiny tears in the muscle fibers. It's the rest afterward, not the workout itself, that makes them grow back stronger. Instead, train your core 3 to 4 times a week with real intensity, then give it time to recover. Just like any other muscle group. 3 to 4 focused core sessions a week with compound lifts like squats and deadlifts doing extra work in between. That's the real formula. Train hard, recover harder, and trust the process. That's how you actually build abs that last, not just a daily grind that burns you out.